How to use your cell phone to control the lighting. Now let's come to Boolean Smart Home solution for your smart life. This is our wireless dimmer switch. Press up continuously, the light becomes brighter, and press down, it gets darker. All depends on your practical demands. Then we come to the phone control. This is our ZigBee wireless gateway. Here, by means of interaction between the mobile and our smart home application, control to the light can be easily done. By the way, you can download our software from Google Play or Apple Store. Now is the application interface. Swipe to the right, the figure gets bigger, and so is the brightness. And swipe to the left, it becomes darker. Even you can turn off completely. For more information, please visit www.boolean.cc.